What?
Just a tip.
You want to do one?
Just a tip. Okay.
I only give just a tip to people who I know can take on the mantle.
This is just a tip. If you're tinting a window that has the little auto roll down thingy,
Yeah.
sometimes that happens. Okay.
Right, like the Teslas.
Tip being, take the gasket out and cut it longer than the, like where you really put it down in there, past the interior gasket.
What? Are you telling people how? Are you teaching people how to tint?
Yeah.
Dustin, our viewers don't tint.
They don't detail neither.
They're more likely to detail their own cars in the garage.
They might.
Some cars have really tight gaskets, and even though they'll be the same cars, there's some like little variations between each car. This is where hand trimming comes in, because if your car is just one of those really weird one-off, a little bit more of a special need, then we have to do hand trimming. So
Call a car special needs.
yeah.
Damn, bro. That's not PC, bro. Special needs cars.
If you use a plotter to cut all your patterns that you don't know how to hand trim, then you can't help those cars that need that special extra added attention.
And if you'd like to help this cause, we're setting up a GoFundMe for special needs cars.
In reality, it's just gonna get directed into Dustin's bank account.
That's right.
To fund his playing cards collection.
In and out.
Wait, what? Dude, that thing is so freaking me coming in. Dude, when it rolled up and then I saw the headlights and just blinded me for a second, after it stopped blinding me, I saw like this matte black monster come through. I'm like, whoa, that's mean as hell. I'm so excited for the client to see this car. If I had to be a soccer dad or whatever, this is it for me. So while Dustin is working on the Model X, we actually got in another Model 3. We're also touching up some of the vinyl wrap that they got done somewhere else. Some of the chrome was still showing, so we're gonna try to cover as much as possible. And last night the guys went out to go bowling, so I have some clips of that.
Hit a strike right here. Yes! Yeah! Oh.
No.
Foot on my car. It's amazing, huh? Yeah. It's out of this world. Let me tell you, okay? Yeah. The pops and bangs amplified by 30 times. Okay? Yeah. The downshifts amplified. Everything is completely like. Everything sounds the same, but amplified. Oh, it sounds like an F1 car. It sounds like an F1 car.
Saul! That's your couple name.
Wait, what are you talking about?
A couple name, you and Sean. Would you rather prefer Ron or Saul? Either Saul or Ron. What the f? You and Raul had a couple name. Saul, or would you prefer Ron?
Probably the first one.
Ah, they are a couple. Yes. There's too much chrome showing more so
Look how they patched it. That's just how they wrapped it. Look. So they wrapped the side over the top piece. You got to do the top piece on top. That way it looks like it's all one piece, right? Look at it right here.
Yeah.
Just do like a little view.
Right.
Right. Now go to the one I just did over there. No chrome. No chrome showing.
Oh man.
That's what I'm saying, dude. It's a flat piece.
Can you fix that for him?
Or try to peel it up a little bit.
So you need to peel it all off now.
Yes. The mirror.
They cut the mirror? They did cut the mirror.
Look at all the lines where they cut.
Dude. All the mirrors are cut.
So look where they cut on the mirror.
Yeah, I see it.
Cut here. And so what he was, I think this was his first try. Peel it off. We're gonna see the side of truth.
Yeah. You guys can see the cut line right here.
Cut line right here, right here.
Yeah.
Here, everywhere where he cut, where someone would cut, you know, trying to. Damn, it sucks.
That sucks. You can't fix this, right? Maybe polish?
Maybe polish. And now you tell the customer that they cut the mirrors up.
That's bad. Now that we got this Lamborghini sounding so freaking good, we're now going to be Clearbra the full front end, bumper, hood, fenders, mirrors. That way this thing can go fast and not worry about rock chips or anything like that. How's it coming along, bro? Are you doing a custom hood on this?
EVS custom hood.
Oh, guys, we're doing the EVS custom hood. Listen, do you have a Christmas tree?
No.
Did you even decorate your apartment with Christmas stuff?
No.
What's your plans for the Christmas besides going to your sister's place?
Pretty much it. Silver.
Is that normal to do that?
Yeah. It's from the heat. This is from the heat.
It looks like a chameleon.
Psychedelic. You know who you are.
Deep Talks with EVS Motors. Would you make love to Oprah for a plot of land, but you didn't know what size it would be until afterwards?
Quarter of an acre?
It could be a quarter of an acre, it could be a full acre, it could be 10 acres.
It has to be a percentage of large plots of land. But dude, didn't you say you had sex with Oprah? Like, who else can flex that? Dr. Phil?
What's your goal in life, Dustin? Is it really just a plot of land? If you wanted to, you could probably go buy a plot of land. It just wouldn't be that big.
You have land for stuff you want to do, grow stuff, or you want to do recreational vehicles on your land. Not, drive them, do them.
Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Click over here if you want to see a video made just for you, or click right here if you want to see a video that we just recently uploaded, or subscribe right here. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace. Are you gonna put the new belt on right now? Oh.
Is that an easy one?
No. Looks hard. It's difficult. They have the pattern up there.
Oh, there's a pattern for you.